I'm Rich Pauptit from Flash Reproductions in Toronto, Canada. We're a second-generation printing company, traditionally an offset company. We also do a lot of letterpress, foil stamping, embossing, engraving, die cutting, screen printing, a little bit of everything. We are a versatile shop. We have worked very hard to become a versatile shop where we have every printing process known to man in this shop. We were very impressed with the build of the machine. We liked the familiar paper path with the grippers and the side guides and the feed and the delivery that very much resembled the offset presses that we're used to. Registration is hugely important. The substrate flexibility is huge for us as well. We need to trust that gripper and we need to trust that side guide. And seeing the way that this machine is built, with a proper gripper, with a proper side guide, with a proper paper flow. But those were just the things that got us interested, got us to the point where we saw some image samples, and that was when we got really serious. What's been very interesting in getting into high quality, short run digital print is that we're very excited to be able to say, okay, don't worry about all those things that we were telling you had to compromise on. It can be everything you want it to be. Here it is. It looks great. It's inexpensive. You can pick whatever stock you want to pick, and you can do as few as you need. And if you need more, just order more. And before we run the whole job, you can look at one of them on the right stock, at the right quality, you know, and trimmed and assembled in the exact way that you will be receiving. Do you like this one? Approved? Good. We'll go make 100 more. It just allows us to offer what we can offer elsewhere, but with the beauty of short run and or variable. We didn't want to limit our offering. We don't want to say, yeah, but you look at all these wonderful processes in this shop, but you can't have that if you're going to use this. Ideally, everything can work well together, and you know, this is the machine that has shown us that is possible, and that's what we're really excited about, to be able to just say, what's the best way to image this job? Okay, that's finished. Now what's the best way to finish this job? And one doesn't dictate the other. This is the first piece of equipment that I really think is giving the market what they're asking for, which is the same quality as they would get with the offset job, but quicker, and they can buy in short quantities. I think what's interesting about it now is even people who do have a need for 10,000 of those brochures this year, in the perfect world, they don't really want to pay for them all in February. They want to pay for them as they need them. The reality is, information changes. People don't necessarily need as many things as they thought they might. They're buying out of fear. And just simply budgeting, people would like to buy what they need that month or buy what they need that quarter, and then replenish every quarter and leave room for change, and you know, again, not have to front load those budgets. Once we kind of release the reins on people and they realize that there is no compromise, and they can just order just in time, I think they're going to be really excited about that as well. I think we need to put our customers first. I just think it's naive to think that it would work any other way. We're really excited to be able to tell our clients that there is a way to achieve what they have always wanted. It really is a revolution, and it needs to be thought of from a 360 degree. Like, everybody has to really understand what this now means, and that's going to be difficult for everybody. But the point is, we've figured this out for them, and we're offering them something that I know will make their lives easier. I've spoken to a lot of the lead creative minds in this city about this press. They're all very excited about it, and the first thing that comes to mind is like, oh, I've got a project that I wanted to do for years. and this sounds like it would be perfect. I can finally do that. The installation of the KM-1 started off very much like every install of our heavy machinery that we put in that, you know, you've got all the riggers coming in with carrying in all the big pieces and the gantries and putting in position, all these wonderful things. This has definitely felt like we've got everybody here and everybody rolling up their sleeves, flying in from all over the place, and yeah, it's an all hands on deck situation. We couldn't be more excited to see a sheet come off. A couple days ago they asked us for some make ready paper, so we cut it down for them real quickly and gave it to them, and we're just standing there waiting. Through this whole shop, everyone is very excited to see this up and running and looking for those first sheets. Like, I come in every day and people ask me, like, have you seen the sheet yet? Have you seen the sheet yet? It's just, we don't have that level of excitement over anything else. It's pretty exciting to be the first KM-1 customer in Canada. We're a very proud Canadian company. This is something that this country needs. We're confident that we've done our research and that this is the machine to take us there. And this is the machine to answer what this market has been begging for the last decade at least. Even though we had really no formal relationship with Konica Minolta, there was support. It obviously not actually servicing a machine that they don't sell, but there for us when our press is down and we can't seem to get it serviced in time, and we end up over at Konica Minolta running on their demo machines to meet a deadline. That matters a lot to us. We are that to our customer, and frankly, we don't find that very often on the supplier side. I'm very excited to actually bring Konica Minolta on as a supplier, as a partner who I know will go that extra mile when we need it.